Hey everyone, Levi Lavrenyuk from Lightware at Las Vegas, InfoComm 2026. I wanted to show you something quite cool. We came up with something to help our customers find the product they're looking for easier and better. Because if you think about it, you look at any website, any product list, you see all these black boxes, you see many long product names with many X's and many numbers in them. So what could help just basically find things better and easier? So this is our Configurator, a burger configurator. And you might ask, what does burger have to do with rAVe and with extenders in particular? So let's take a quick look here. Imagine like you're in a fast food restaurant. You walk up to the kiosk. You're hungry. You want a burger, but everybody wants and likes their burger differently. Just like when it comes to scopes and comes to installations, you want your extenders to have different capabilities. So, for example, if you think about your extender as a burger, you have the bun, which is your Cat-X cable that gives you a 100-meter extension or 330 feet. Then you got HDMI 2.0, obviously, that's the must, with 4K 60 capabilities, and you also have your control signals traveling through that extension. Now, what if you want to add some cheese to this burger? Like we have the video is our patty, control is our lettuce. I want some cheese. I want audio, analog audio. So there it is. And what you got here is that this configurator gives you which product, which Lightware extender corresponds to your burger. In our case, it's the Loud. We call it the Loud. The TX106A gets you covered. Now let's complicate things a bit. What if I actually, instead of analog audio, I want Dante? Now I got tomato in my burger, and I got the Dante variant of the TPX extenders. And we can go on and on. I can see if I'm super hungry, if I want my extender to do everything, I can add HDMI loop out. I can add full speed USB 2.0. I can have scaling. Now we get to the monster, obviously. That's something more serious here. 209 AU2K Lightware HDMI 2.0 extenders. Again, we could go on and on and on. The point is that we wanted to develop something that helps with the visual guide and connects all these sometimes complex technical terms into something, let's say, easier to digest. So here it is, the Configurator, which is at this point still a funny concept. People here at InfoComm love it. We want to build on this. We are looking forward to receiving your feedback. If you want to see this in action soon enough, it's coming to our website, hopefully, www.lightware.com. And if you have any ideas, if you want to let us know how this kind of tool could help you even more, we would love to hear from you. Thank you.